welcome back again to my channel. Please keep on watching and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Yehey! Nandito po tayo sa Kellie Castle. Tara, samahan niyo ako at ating tunghayan kung ano nga ba ang misteryosong mansyon na ito. Please keep on watching! Kellie Castle is located in Batu Gajah, Kinta District, Perak, Malaysia. This is the unfinished ruined mansion was built by a Scottish planter named William Kellie Smith. It was either a gift for his wife or a home for his son. This castle is situated beside the Raya River, which is a small creek to Kinta River, and it is 20 kilometers away from Ipoh town. The construction was started in the year 1915 and ended before 1926 of completion. Tourists who wish to see this castle has a different range of entrance fee. Entrance fee is 5 Rm per adult, while Rm3 for children below 12 years old and Rm4 for senior citizen and above 60 years old. So this is the new price range starting October.
It is more expensive on weekends, baby. Weekends is more expensive. We are very wise.
Meanwhile, for foreigners, the entrance fee would be Rm10 per adult and Rm8 per children below 12 years old. You can purchase lablaks, a price of 20 ringgit, before the entrance. Currently, locals considering this castle as a combine of romance, tragedy, and mystery. The Scotsman William Kellie Smith moved to British Malaya, now Malaysia, made and lost his fortune, and left an unfinished mansion to be reclaimed by the jungle. Here's the interesting story. This castle is shrouded in mystery. 3 secret tunnels were discovered with more believed to be hidden. According to eyewitnesses, a car was parked inside one of the passageways in the year 1960s, but nothing was ever found or verified as to who the car belonged to. Other rumors tell of the Japanese using the premises to torture and later execute prisoners. There's also rumors of ghosts and spirits. After the rediscovery of Kellie's castle, a spooky tales with hints of the supernatural emerged. So this is what we can see on the first floor. It's all about the photographs and descendants of William Smith family. We can get all the informations here or historical background of this castle. Couple who visited to photograph nocturnal animals reported to see ghostly figures in the window. Others say William's spirit restlessly roams the second floor. Every tourist who wishes to visit on this place has to take at your own risk, as there is no security personnel inside the old mansion. This is a friendly reminder to all tourists on this place. So let's go upstairs and see what they have on the second floor.
Come na, let's go second floor. Why wanna scare? It's daytime. So that's why take at your own risk to come here. Nice there.
Yeah, so here's the lobby of second floor, and the rooms are almost empty and nothing much to see. Hey, look! What a beautiful view from the second floor. It's so amazing. You can see all the greeny surrounding and also the river in front of it.
You are like a ghost walking, not moving the ice.
Why this castle is not completed? Because of the attack of Spanish flu. Second, it was built during World War II. And third, the passage of William's made while traveling to Brisbane. So this is all we can share for today, guys. Thank you for having us with this tour. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Namaste.
Uncle hungry, then find something makan, then we go Banjaran. No, I'm fine. Baby, get me water, please. Just normal water.